In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Word document into Confluence and publish it. Let's get started by opening the Confluence space where you want the content to live. And think of a space as the home for related pages. If you have many spaces, use search or your recent list to jump straight to the right one. Make sure you have permission to add or edit pages in that space before moving on. Next, decide where the Word content should appear. If you're creating something brand new, click Create to start a fresh page in the right spot in the page tree. If the Word content is meant to update or replace an existing page, open that page instead so you can import directly into it. Choosing the correct location now will keep your space organized and help your team find the content later. Now, look for the import option. Depending on your Confluence setup, you might see import or import word in the create menu within the page editor or in a more actions menu represented by 3 dots. The wording can vary, but you're looking for an option that mentions importing a Word document. If you don't see it at first, check the editor toolbar or the options menu on the page. When prompted, select the Word file from your computer. The .docx format is typically the most reliable. If your document is large or contains lots of images, tables, or embedded objects, give it a moment to upload. Keep the tab open while Confluence processes the file. After the upload completes, review the imported page carefully. This is where you fine-tune the layout. Verify that headings map correctly to Confluence headings, lists are properly indented, images appear in the right places, and tables fit the page width. Check any links to ensure they work and point to the right locations. If something looks off, use the page editor to adjust spacing, convert text to proper heading levels, resize images, or reformat tables. Aim for consistency with your team's existing pages so the final result feels native to Confluence. A quick scan from top to bottom helps you catch small issues like extra line breaks or odd characters. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and publish the page. Publishing makes your imported content available to your team in the space, and your page will appear in the page tree where you placed it. After it's live, you can share the link with stakeholders so they can review and start collaborating. And that's it. Your Word document is now part of your Confluence knowledge base, cleanly imported and ready for your team to use.